Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to know if your live location is shared with someone on WhatsApp. Friends, if you have doubt that you have accidentally or someone known to you have started sharing your live location on WhatsApp, then you can simply check it by opening your WhatsApp app, and here you need to press on the three dots. Now press on settings. In settings, press on privacy. In privacy, scroll a little down and you will find the option of live location. As you can see, it is showing sharing to one chat. Press on it to see the details. Now here it will show the list of contacts with whom your live location is shared with. Right now it is shared with one contact. It will give the contact name and other details. Now to stop sharing your live location, you simply need to press on stop sharing. Press on stop again. Now it will stop sharing your live location with all the contacts. In my case, it was sharing with one contact. So friends, like this you can very easily know if your live location is shared with someone on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.